Good morning, children. We proceed with chapter 5, problems based on binomial theorem. In today's class, we are going to discuss problems to find coefficient of a given term or a constant term or a term independent of x or middle terms. So problems of this pattern, we ought to know the general term formula. If I take the expansion as x plus a the whole power n, the general term tr plus 1 is ncr x power n minus r a power r. So whatever be the problem given, consider the first term as x and the second term as a. You can also take it as a plus b the whole power n, accordingly write it. Now this is x, this is a, this is n. Substituting in this formula, 10cr, we don't know r, x power, that is first term power 10 minus r, second term power r. Simplifying, I get 10cr x power 2 into 10, 20, 2 into r, 2r, 1 by x power 3 into r, 3r. Taking this also to the numerator, x power 20 minus 2r, this denominator goes to the numerator with negative power. So plus 3r in the denominator goes to the numerator as minus 3r. Now my question is coefficient of x power 15. So x power 15 I have x power 20 minus 2r minus 3r. Comparing 20 minus 5r equals 15 or 5r equals 20 minus 15, which is 5. That tells me r equals 1. If r is 1, find out what is tr plus 1. That will be t1 plus 1. I have 10c1. Wherever r comes, I must put 1 now. Can I write x powers? No. My question is only coefficient. What do you mean by the word coefficient? We need to write only the number, not x. So when I say coefficient, it is only 10c1 and the answer is 10. Question number 5. Find the coefficient of x power 6 and the coefficient of x square in the expansion x square minus 1 by x cube the whole power 6. As we compare with x plus a power n, first term x square, second term minus 1 by x cube, n equals 6. The general term formula, tr plus 1 is ncr, n is 6cr, first term x square power 6 minus r, second term minus 1 by x cube power r. Simplifying, 6cr x power 12 minus 2r minus 1 power r, 1 by x power 3r. Taking this to the numerator, it is minus 1 power r, 6cr x power 12 minus 2r minus 3r. My question is coefficient of x power 6. So whatever is the power, 12 minus 2r minus 3r, we write 6. 12 minus 5r equals 6 or 12 minus 6 equals to 5r. 5r equals to 6 tells me r equals to 6 by 5. Is it possible? R, N should be whole numbers. We are writing R as a term. 5th term, 6th term, like that. So 6 by 5 is not valid. Therefore, no such term exists. Why do I say no such term? R cannot be fraction. It should be a whole number. Now, the second part of the question. I want coefficient of x squared. The same power, 12 minus 2r minus 3r, compare with the power 2. 12 minus 5r is 2, or minus 5r is 2 minus 12. Minus 5r is minus 10, r is minus 10 by minus 5, that is 2. That is valid. So we will write coefficient of x square equals. When I say coefficient, write only the numbers, not x. If I write the full, it becomes the term. My question is only the coefficient, which is minus 1 power r value 2, 6c2. Minus 1 power 2 is positive. 6c2 is 6 into 5 by 1 into 2, that is 15. So let us take and write the answer. Coefficient of x square equals 15, and hence the problem. Question number 6. Find the coefficient of x power 4 in 1 plus x cube the whole power 50 into x square plus 1 by x the whole power 5. First of all, let us try to simplify this. 1 plus x cube the whole power 50 into, taking LCM, x into x square, x cube plus 1 the whole power 5. That is 1 plus x cube the whole power 50 into 1 plus x cube the whole power 5 divided by x power 5. Or the numerator is one and the same, so I can add the powers. 1 plus x cube the whole power 55 divided by x power 5. To find the coefficient of x power 4, my question is coefficient of x power 4 for the entire thing. I will write coefficient of x power 9 in the numerator divided by x power 5. Why? So that x power 9 minus 5 will give me x power 4. My question is coefficient of x power 4. So, let me find the numerator coefficient of x power 9. When I divide by x power 5, it automatically becomes coefficient of x power 4. So, my ultimate question is to find power 9 in the numerator. 1 plus x cube power 55 compared with x plus a power n. What is x? 1. What is a? X cube. What is n? 55. To write the general term, tr plus 1 is 55cr. X power n minus r, a power r. Or we will say 55cr x power 3r. My question is coefficient of x power 9. So x power 3r compare with x power 9. 3r equals 9 gives me r equals 3. Therefore, what is the coefficient? Coefficient of x power 9 is, in the given question, the general term, wherever r is coming, put 3. So, I have t3 plus 1. Coefficient of t3 plus 1 is 55C3. What is 55C3? 55, 54, 53 by 1 into 2 into 3. As I simplify, I get coefficient of x power 9. We get 26,235. So what is my question? Coefficient of x power 4 in 1 plus x cube power 55 by x power 5. That is coefficient of x power 9 in the numerator. What is the numerator? 1 plus x cube power 55 divided by x power 5. So my answer is 26235. Question number 7. Find the constant term of 2x cube minus 1 by 3x squared the whole power 5. Comparing this with x plus a power n. X the first term, a the second term, n the power. How will you write the general term? TR plus 1 is NCR x power n minus r a power r. In this question, TR plus 1 is NCR 5CR 2x cube power 5 minus r minus 1 by 3x squared power r. Simplifying, TR plus 1 equals minus 1 power r. We will write first 5CR 2 power 5 minus r x power 3 into 5 15 3 into r 3r 1 by this minus 1 power r we have written here. Denominator 3 power r x power 2r. Combining x terms, TR plus 1 is minus 1 power r 5CR 2 power 5 minus r by 3 power r x power 15 minus 3r minus 2r. My question is constant term. That tells me there is no x. The term independent of x or constant term tells us no x in that. No x tells me x power 0. Compare. Here the power is 0. Here the power is 15 minus 3r minus 2r, which should become 0. 15 minus 5r is 0, or 5r is 15, r equals 3. Once I know r is 3, put it back here. So I get constant term minus 1 power 3, 5c3, 2 power 5 minus 3 by 3 power 3. So in this, wherever r is coming, let us put 3. We mustn't put x power because we need only the constant term where x power becomes 0, that is ultimately 1. Now, minus 1 power 3 is minus 5c3. 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. 2 power 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 power 3, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Simplifying, we get minus 40 by 27. There is another method for objective type questions. How to get constant term? We have the formula NP by P plus Q. N is the power, that is 5. P is the numerator power of x, which is 3. Q is the denominator power, that is 2. So this tells me 5 into 3 by 3 plus 2. Now also I get 3. So this we call the usual method using the general term. This we call shortcut method, but we must be able to remember the formula for R whenever constant term is asked. So R equals NP by P plus Q. N is the power, P is the numerator power, Q is second term power. So that gives us what is R. Once I know R, I can find out constant term as T R plus 1 and the same answer will come. So these three steps can also be written of this pattern. Question number 11. If n is a positive integer and r is a non-negative integer, prove that the coefficients of x power r and x power n minus r in 1 plus x the whole power n are equal. 1 plus x the whole power n is given. Comparing with x plus a power n, x is the first term, a is the second term, n is the power. The general term formula NCR. Here also NCR. X is 1 power n minus r. A power r. A is x. So we get x power r. 1 power anything 1. So forget it. NCR x power r is the general term. If I want coefficient of x power r, look, x power r, coefficient is NCR. And I want coefficient of x power n minus r. If I want the power r, here NCR is coming. If I want the power n minus r, here NC n minus r will come. But we know combination formula NCR and NC n minus r are equal. So when these two are equal, we will say these two coefficients are equal. Thus we say coefficient of x power r and coefficient of x power n minus r are equal. Hence the problem. Question number 10. If n is an odd positive integer, prove that the coefficients of the middle terms in the expansion of x plus y power n are equal. As we compare with x plus a power n, x is the first term, a is the second term, power n and the general term formula. My question is middle terms. When n is odd, we have two middle terms, namely t n minus 1 by 2 plus 1, t n plus 1 by 2 plus 1, which can be simplified as t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. For the other problems, this formula will be easy, but here it is good if I write r plus 1 pattern because I want to substitute here. So what is t n minus 1 by 2 plus 1? Wherever r is coming, put n minus 1 by 2. So here n, c, n minus 1 by 2. In the place of x, I have x only. Power n minus 1 by 2. In the place of a, I have y. Power n minus 1 by 2. The next term t n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is nc n plus 1 by 2 x power n minus n plus 1 by 2 y power n plus 1 by 2. My question is only the coefficients. As I write down the coefficients, I have nc n minus 1 by 2 and nc n plus 1 by 2. X, Y are the variables. I have only the coefficients. That is NC n minus 1 by 2, NC n plus 1 by 2. My question is they are equal. To prove they are equal, remember the formula NCR is NC n minus R. As I start, NC n minus 1 by 2, NC n minus R. So subtract n minus 1 by 2, or this becomes NC cross multiply by taking LCM. 2n minus n, minus into minus plus 1, or I get NC. 2n minus n is n plus 1 by 2. I started with NC n minus 1 by 2. I ended with NC n plus 1 by 2. Hence we declare the coefficients of the middle terms are equal, and hence the problem.